Dear students, in our previous class, we have studied about slow and fast, speed, and measurement of time. Dear students, we shall recall them. Okay. Objects can said to be faster or slower if they move in the same direction with a different speed, isn't it? Then what is speed? Speed is nothing but distance covered by an object in a unit time. And the time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Now let us learn the units of time and speed. Dear students, commonly how many needles are there in clocks? 3, isn't it? The longer one indicates seconds, the next one indicates minutes, and the shorter needle indicates hours. Therefore, the basic unit of time is a second. Its symbol is S. What would be the basic unit of speed? We know speed means distance per time. Therefore, the basic unit of speed is meter per second. Of course, it could also be expressed in other units such as meter per minute or kilometer per hour. You may now like to compare your speed of walking or cycling with that of your friends. You need to know the distance of the school from your home or from some other point. Each one of you can then measure the time taken to cover that distance and calculate your speed. It may be interesting to know who amongst you is the fastest. Speeds of some living organisms are different. Rockets launching satellites into Earth's orbit often attain speeds up to 8 km per second. On the other hand, a tortoise can move only with a speed of about 8 cm per second. Once you know the speed of an object, you can find the distance moved by it in a given time. All you have to do is to multiply the speed by time. Thus, distance covered is equal to speed into time. You can also find the time an object would take to cover a distance while moving with a given speed. Time taken by the object is equal to distance divided by speed. You might have seen a meter fitted on top of a scooter or a motorcycle, isn't it? Similarly, meters can be seen on the dashboards of cars, buses, and other vehicles. In those meters, kilometer per hour is written. Such meters, that means the meters which are used to measure the speed, is called a speedometer. There is also another meter that measures the distance moved by the vehicle. This meter is known as an odometer. Dear students, you might have seen that newspapers, magazines, etc. present information in various forms of graphs to make it interesting. There are different types of graphs such as bar graph, pie chart, line graph, etc. Okay, my dear students, we shall learn different kinds of graphs in our regular classes. Until then, you can go through the textbook and imagine. We shall meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice time. Take care. Bye.